weekends too, doing jobs people don't like or won't do. Widgets, flanges, metal parts. Moving parts is what I do. Into the machine and out, stacking them up. It's not a bad job, but it is relentless. Never a thanks, never a robot, nice move. Never a robot, looking sharp, there. Never a thanks, just because I'm a robot. It's like I'm invisible. People say, hey robot, why the long face? What a stupid question.
OB7 Stretch. Now available with Vision.
Even robots deserve a break and a treat. Treat yourself.